Hello everyone, welcome to Nigira Techies. In this video, I am going to explain one of the popular issue in JWT authentication. First, let me explain the problem statement. I implemented JWT authentication in my one of the web API. The application is created using the .NET Core framework. So the token generation time, I am provided the token expiration time is just 10 seconds. Okay. Once the token gets generated based on the token, I am trying to access one of the method. It's working fine. So after 10 seconds, I'm trying to access the method using the expired token. Still, I'm able to get the data. That means my expiration time is not working properly. So this is all about the problem statement. Let me provide the solution. So in the token validation parameters, we have one of the important parameters. The name is clock show. Okay. This clock show is default time is 5 minutes. Okay. Whenever your token got expired, so this clock will work. So in some cases, we may set exactly 1 or 2 minutes for our expiration time. So in the real time, it should work based on the expiry time. So in these cases, we have to add the clock value is 0 minutes. So this is the solution. So let me explain in the code. So this is all about my application. If you see here, this method actually generating the token. Here I am provided the expiration time is 10 seconds. The value is 10. So I added seconds, so 10 seconds. If you go to the my startup page, here only I'm validating the token. If you see here the token validation parameters, I am included up to the validate lifetime. Okay. Here I need to add that important validation parameters clock show. Okay. If you are not included, it's defaultly taking a 5 minutes. So the value is 0 time span dot 0. Okay, fine. We added now. Okay, let me increase the time at least 15 seconds. Otherwise I am unable to test. So let me increase the 20 seconds and now we can test. Basically, this authenticate method will generate the token. Here I am going to provide the credentials. Okay, it's generated the token. Let me replace the token, the postman. Okay, if you see here, it's loaded the data. I am trying sometime. Okay, now it's unauthorized. So if you see here, the token I provided the expiration time is exactly 20 seconds. So now it's working based on the expiration time. So exactly the token gets expired in 20 seconds. So this is all about the fix. Still, if you have any doubts or clarifications, please post in our comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.